I sometimes think that is my faith that God kind of is working behind the scenes in our lives. And I quite literally volunteered at a church. I didn't really pursue video. It's like video pursued me because I'm an hour north of Seattle. I'm 20. I'm coming out of 1 year of Bible college. I had just gotten expelled from a Christian high school, so my journey was kind of interesting. And I just started volunteering in this tiny church. I mean, it was growing, but there was like 8 kids in the youth ministry. And the youth pastor handed me a Canon HV 30 with mini DV tapes in it, like a camcorder, and Adobe Premiere like 1.0, back when Adobe Creative Suite would send you all the CDs. You'd get the DVDs, and that's the software to be on there. And you'd have to, it took 7 hours to install your software in your PC. And I just started to get into video. And of course, my videos were terrible. This is 2003. But the repetition of it, because I was making videos every single Wednesday for my youth group in 2003. Now that's 52 videos a year. So I was having the blessing of developing a content creation muscle. These days people are trying to juggle life and family and kids and business, and entrepreneurs are trying to do all the things, the books, hiring, firing, whatever it is they're trying to do. And they're also like, Mark, you're telling me to create content. Well, it's like a muscle to grow, and eventually it kind of can become second nature. So I was working on that muscle before technology was anywhere near as good as it was today. This is 2003. And then fast forward to 2007, we started a YouTube channel for our local church. And that was at the inspiration of the pastor, not me. Even though I'm an elder millennial now, I'm going to turn 39 soon. It was his kind of idea. He went to a couple cool conferences that had him thinking ahead. He started a Twitter account. I thought that was ridiculous at the time. He wanted to start a YouTube channel. And we actually started a vlog for that pastor where I was kind of filming him, kind of reality TV show style. So to answer your question, by 2009, I started my own business, opened up an LLC called Clear Vision Media. And with the skills I had developed from being self-taught, but from really being in the entrepreneur school of I'm going to study, learn, read, go to conferences, do whatever I can to develop my skills and practice a lot, I began to do video as a freelancer for the YMCA, local baseball teams, local Mexican restaurants. And so really even getting into YouTube, the key skill and what I'm still teaching today, I'm known for YouTube and my book, YouTube Secrets and all that stuff, but it's really video, right? I teach people cameras and lighting, how to be on camera. The formation of that was just being in the trenches and doing it for 10, 20,000 hours in the first, 2003 to 2010, basically.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.